All right, guys, I'd like to thank y'all for tuning in to the channel today. Got an RV lock. This is one of the digital keypad locks that you can see right here. I chose this one because it's backlit and seems to have a lot of good reviews. So we're going to get this thing installed. I'm going to walk y'all through the install on it and tell you what we think about it, and let's get started. So I'm going to go ahead and remove these 4 screws real quick. I'm going to have both hands for that. And then get those out. Okay, pull that off, no big deal. Set all these pieces right here. Okay, then from this side, should be a little gasket or a seal. We actually have to take it out from over here. Okay, so we got the inside screws removed. We got these screws removed here on the outside. And you should be able to just take this latch mechanism, pulls right out. Nothing to it. Let's go ahead and open the box on the RV lock. All right, that's what's in the box. We've got a new gasket for the outside. Thank you for purchase. Instruction manual, batteries. Looks like a little screwdriver, flashlight pin. All right. Sorry guys, I got one hand here. Pull this out. There's your complete mechanism. So we'll have to get the screws out, and let me do that. And then we'll work on putting it in the door. Okay, so kind of repeating the same process. We have the keypad here. The gasket is got a nice seal on it. I think that wire is going to push through for the other side. But we'll push this in like so. It's going to take 2 hands, guys. Okay, so we got it in there on the front and the back. Started these screws right here on the front seal. If you look right here when you're coming through, just make sure you get these wires where they're not pinched on the other side. Pull those through. We'll get the inside piece and get it attached and screwed on. Okay, once you get all your screws in, we'll come along here. I want to make sure we're straight right here. Make sure we've got it lined up really well. And then once you get all that done, you want to check your action on your both sides. Make sure you're getting, full action, and then make sure you're getting your deadbolt action also. I'm going to tighten these screws up here, and then we'll get the batteries in this thing and start going through the programming. Okay, so we got the screws removed for the battery cover. Go ahead and get the batteries in here. I'm trying to do this one-handed. Okay, get your batteries in, take your cover, put it back on, get the screws started. Okay, now we mechanically have both sides done. Everything's installed correctly. Door shuts well, opens. So now we need to get the programming book and start the programming. Okay, so now we've got it programmed and installed. Really easy. As soon as you walk out, you want to walk away from your camper, you just hold that lock button down. Place the double beat. We are locked. And then all you do is enter in your password and then hit unlock. As soon as you do that, and a double beat, and you're back in. Very simple setup. Now we'll get the key fobs and get those programmed. Okay, so there's a key fob learn switch here. You just leave the switch on. This actually lets your keys, if you want to turn it off or the key fobs won't work, you can just switch that off. To learn a new key fob, you're going to hold that in. You're going to hold the lock button down on the key fob at the same time. Both of these were already programmed from the factory. So as you can see, we've got one here. It locks, unlocks. Both of the key fobs are working just fine. So shut the door. It is locked. Unlocked. So pretty handy feature. So I know it was a short video, but I'd like to thank you for watching it today. I'll post another one up after we've used it for a little while. Really like it. It's a quiet lock. It doesn't have any loud motor on it. Just seems like it's good quality. So got it installed. We'll try it out. I want to thank everybody for watching the video. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button down bottom right hand corner. We'll catch you on the next one.